Hello and welcome to Breaking the Cycle, Building Wealth and Financial Freedom with Infinite Banking, presented by Creative Capital Strategies. My name is Jim Kindred, and I will be your host for today's presentation. We're excited to have you with us as we explore how you can take control of your financial future and build lasting wealth using the powerful principles of infinite banking. Let's get started. Your financial journey is a lot like climbing a mountain. The goal is to reach the peak of financial independence, then safely make your way down in retirement. But what does that mean for you? Before retirement, we are in what we call the accumulation phase. During this time, the focus is on building wealth, growing your assets, and maximizing your savings to reach the financial peak. Think of it like climbing the mountain. It takes time, effort, and strategy to build your wealth. This phase requires understanding your accumulation rate, how effectively and efficiently you are growing your assets. Once you've accumulated enough assets, you've reached the peak. But remember, the journey doesn't stop here. Just like a mountain climb, getting down safely is just as important as getting to the top. Now comes the distribution phase. This is where many people struggle, as converting your hard-earned assets into reliable income streams for retirement can be tricky. This phase is like descending the mountain. It requires careful planning to ensure you don't lose what you've built. The key here is your distribution rate, how effectively you're withdrawing and utilizing your funds to meet your needs while ensuring you don't run out of money. Knowing how to convert assets into income streams is critical. We need strategies that make sure you're not only enjoying retirement, but doing so safely without the fear of outliving your money or losing it to market fluctuations. It's about maintaining control and protecting your financial future so you can come down the mountain with confidence. Ultimately, your financial journey is about both getting up the mountain through accumulation and coming down safely in distribution. By understanding and managing these two important rates, you can navigate both phases of your financial life with purpose and security. Start planning today to ensure you can enjoy a safe and prosperous retirement. Imagine this, you just bought a new car, but you didn't pay cash. You took out a loan, and now you're on a long road of repayments. Month after month, you make payments, slowly chipping away at your debt. And finally, after years of hard work, you're back at zero, debt free, right? But then you want a new house, a boat, or maybe a vacation home. So what do? You take out another loan, and the whole cycle starts over. The problem is that each time you take out a new loan, it gets harder to pay it off. Why? Because of inflation. With every loan, the cost of living and the price of what you're buying goes up. But your income, it might not keep pace. Over time, inflation erodes the value of your money, and those loan payments feel heavier and heavier. You're constantly paying off yesterday's purchases with today's more expensive dollars. You're a saver. You've worked hard, saved diligently, and now you've got enough cash to make that big purchase. But here's the problem. Every time you spend that cash, your account goes back to zero. Now you have to start saving all over again. This is the saver's trap. You work hard to build your savings, but as soon as you make a purchase, you're back at square one. And then you have to start climbing all over again. Here's what you might not realize. While you're saving and spending, your money isn't growing. It's not compounding, and you're missing out on opportunities to build lasting wealth. What if instead of starting from zero every time, your money could continue to grow even while you're using it? With strategies like infinite banking, you can access your funds for purchases while letting your wealth compound at the same time. Stop resetting your savings. It's time to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Want to learn more? Let's talk about how you can build wealth without going back to zero. What if you could buy what you need while your wealth keeps growing? This is the power of infinite banking. Unlike traditional savings, where you go back to zero after every big purchase, infinite banking allows your money to continue growing, even while you use it. With a properly structured whole life policy, your money keeps compounding over time, building wealth while you access funds. Whether it's buying a car or taking a vacation, your cash value continues to grow. No more starting from scratch after each big expense. With infinite banking, you can finance your life without depleting your savings, and you never have to start over. Yeah, this means long-term security and peace of mind. You're in control of your finances with the flexibility to use your money when you need it and let it grow when you don't. With infinite banking, your money works for you, not the other way around. Want to learn how to get started? Let's talk about how you can build wealth while staying financially free.